Hey y'all, Angie here. Today I'm going to tell you about another electric fence product. This is a corner tensioner, and what this does is it allows an electric rope to be placed behind this and pulled through, and it rolls so that it doesn't snag and hold tension. It allows that rope to go ahead and go through so you can tension the rope up really nicely. It has two holes here that would screw onto a wooden post. You can place this on the inside or the outside of a post. Inside is usually preferred in our area. And you slide your rope behind here. It comes out the other side, and it just allows your rope to be tensioned properly. These work great in the corners. These have held up perfectly for us, and absolutely would recommend these. These are your tensioners. You can use these as an end post to double back on themselves and secure your rope, or you can use them in a corner or a curved area of the pasture so that you can provide tension through there. You can see the rope just fits directly behind there and allows you to roll that and tighten it up without pulling on an object that won't give at all.